Hi, today I'm for the Tecno Spark 10 Pro and I'll show you how to turn on always on display option on this device. So open for the settings, tap to personalization, let's check, so tap to display and brightness. So we could see that unfortunately we have now installed by default the AD option. That's why we should get the application from the Play Store. So in the search we'll enter the Muviz Edge application, and now we should get this application. So tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app. Tap to draw our apps. Then just click to Muviz Edge application switcher just to activate the switcher. Then go back to the app, switch Edge lights to AD. Select one from the available tabs, tap to apply, and now let's just lock the device. Twice press the power key, click to allow, and we could see that the AD option successfully activated. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.